Do you know many people are having trouble with replacing the small bulb above the license plate on their Ford Escape? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Turn off lights. Ensure the headlamp switch is turned off to avoid any electrical issues. Step 2. Remove assembly. Depress the lever and carefully pry the bulb assembly from the liftgate above the license plate. Step 3. Rotate socket. Rotate the bulb socket counterclockwise and remove it from the bulb assembly. Step 4. Replace bulb. Pull the old bulb straight out of the socket and push the new bulb into the socket. Step 5. Reassemble parts. Reinstall the socket back into the assembly, rotate clockwise, and press the assembly back into the liftgate. Follow these steps, and you should be able to replace the bulb easily. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Ford users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.